In today's video, I am going to teach you how to announce your new job on LinkedIn. Let us dive right into this exciting moment of sharing your career progress with your professional network. First things first, you will want to head over to LinkedIn's website. Simply navigate to LinkedIn.com in your web browser. And once you arrive, the next step is to log into your account. You can easily sign in using Google, Microsoft, or simply your email address and password. If you have enhanced your security with two-factor authentication, be prepared to verify your account. You will likely receive a code on your phone, which ensures your account remains secure, so make sure you enter that promptly. Once you are successfully logged in, it is time to think about crafting an engaging announcement. A well-crafted post begins with showing appreciation for your previous employer and reflects on what you have gained during your time there. Highlighting these experiences shows gratitude and helps maintain positive relationships as you transition into your new role. Now, show your enthusiasm for this new opportunity. It is important to convey authentically why you are excited about this new position and what you hope to achieve moving forward. Adding a touch of personal insight regarding key achievements and skills you have acquired so far can lend credibility and context to your career progression. Next, you will want to create a post on LinkedIn to share your news. On your LinkedIn feed, look for the Start a Post box. It is usually located right on your homepage, eager to capture your thoughts and updates. Click on it, which will open a new window designed for drafting your post. To make the announcement stand out, click on the plus sign within the post box. Here, select the option to celebrate an occasion. This feature is tailor-made for announcing exciting news such as landing a new job. Once you are within that menu, choose New Position from the list. It is the perfect categorization to ensure your post grabs the attention of your connections. To further enhance the impact of your announcement, consider adding a visual element. You can upload a photo, perhaps one that represents your new company, or you could select from the pre-existing options on LinkedIn. Remember, an image can make your post more engaging and visually appealing to those scrolling through their feed. Now, it is time to put your excitement into words. Craft a few sentences that eloquently express what this new role means to you. Aim for a personal yet professional tone, offering an authentic glimpse into your journey, which your connections will surely appreciate. Finally, when you are satisfied with how your post looks, give it one last read through to ensure everything is worded just right. And then simply click on Post. And there you have it. Your exciting new job announcement is live on LinkedIn, ready for your network to see and celebrate with you. Following these steps not only shares your news but also bolsters your professional presence on one of the world's leading networking platforms.